Hello everyone, this is Katish here. In this video, I'm going to go through the AQA GCSE Biology Paper 1 higher tier from 2018. This paper is out of 100 marks and it's 1 hour 45 minutes long and it has 7 questions. But question number 6 has been removed once the paper was released, so it's on the video only contains 6 questions. Let's have a look at question number 1. Question number 1 is on the topic of infection and response. Eating food containing Salmonella bacteria can cause illnesses. 2 types of infection, two symptoms of infection by Salmonella are vomiting and diarrhea. What causes these symptoms? Now, the symptoms are usually caused by the chemicals that are produced by the bacteria, which we refer to as toxins or poisons. Give 2 ways a person with mild infection of Salmonella can help prevent the spread of the bacteria to other people. So, basic rule: wash hands always before you, when you use the toilet, or after you use the toilet, or before handling food. You could isolate yourself and disinfect your clothes and surfaces, especially the toilet surfaces, door handles, and avoid sharing utensils like cutlery, towels, and stuff. So any 2 of these will be fine for your answer. Wash hands after using toilet, being sick, before preparing, handling food, or do not prepare food whilst infected. Isolate yourself, disinfect clothes and surfaces. Do not share utensils, cutlery, and towels. In very serious infections of Salmonella, a doctor can prescribe drugs to kill the bacteria. What type of drug can the doctor prescribe to kill bacteria? That would be antibiotics. A person with AIDS may take longer than a healthy person to recover from a Salmonella infection. Explain why. Now, people who have AIDS, the AIDS virus usually attacks the white blood cells in the person's body. If you don't have white blood cells, then you can't fight off infections. So people with AIDS have a low immunity. So the immune system is damaged or weakened, or it doesn't function properly because the white blood cells cannot kill Salmonella bacteria as effectively. Salmonella bacteria can be transmitted from chickens to humans. Chickens can be vaccinated to prevent the transmission of Salmonella bacteria to humans. Suggest one other way farmers can prevent the transmission of Salmonella from chickens to humans. Well, the basic answer would be don't sell infected chicken to customers. Or you could give antibiotics to the chickens. Give chickens antibiotics, or don't sell infected chickens or eggs. Keep infected chickens isolated indoors, or slaughter the infected chickens, basically kill them off and bury them. A restaurant owner employed a scientist to test the effectiveness of 2 kitchen cleaning liquids. The scientist took samples from 2 work surfaces before the surface has been cleaned with the cleaning liquid and after the surfaces have been cleaned with the cleaning liquid. So you've got cleaning liquid A and B, and we've got a bar graph. So sink, table, both surfaces before. You can see the dark bars are before and the gray bars are after cleaning with the liquid. Which cleaning liquid is more effective? So you can see after using liquid A is 25 on the sink and about slightly lower than 60 on the table. Cleaning liquid B is about 45, no, 20, and that's 25, 30, that's 40. So let me actually write the answers down. So here, if I was to compare this is 25, and that's slightly lower than 60, let's say 58, and that's 2 for 20 and 40. So it would be cleaning liquid B. Reason: there's a greater reduction in the number of bacteria after cleaning in both locations, in the sink and in the table. The scientists investigated the effect of cleaning liquid A and cleaning liquid B on Salmonella bacteria grown in a laboratory. Figure 2 shows the way the investigation was set up. Salmonella bacteria growing on agar, so the light gray is a bacteria growing on the agar. Filter paper disc soaked in cleaning liquid B. Filter paper contained soaked in cleaning liquid A. So that's A and B, and that's the control without any cleaning liquid. The Petri dish was placed in an incubator at 25 degrees for 48 hours. After 48 hours, the scientists calculated the area around each paper of disc where no bacteria was growing. So this area basically has the bacteria, all the gray area. So when the cleaning liquid seeps through from the disc, then you would actually have a clear area where there is no bacteria. So water, there was zero area with no bacteria growing, so there wasn't any clear area. Cleaning liquid A was 11 centimeters in centimeters squared, so the area is what they have calculated. Cleaning liquid B is 13 centimeters squared. What measurement would the scientists need to take to calculate the area where no bacteria are growing? Now, if you're going to calculate the surface area of a circle, so if that's the disc, you're literally looking at the area around where there is no bacteria. So you would need to measure the radius or the diameter. The radius is what you would actually have to measure. Radius of area with no bacteria growing. Give one change to the investigation that would allow the scientists to check if the results were repeatable. One change would be repeat the entire thing and repeat to see if results are similar. The scientists showed the results to the restaurant owner. Both cleaning liquids cost the same per dm cube or per liter. Suggest one other factor the restaurant owner should consider when choosing which cleaning liquid to use. Now, you can't use all types of cleaning liquids on surfaces. Like, for example, bleach, you can't use it on kitchen surfaces because it'll smell of bleach, and that means your food is going to smell of bleach. So you need to check for certain things. Here's a list of things that you could actually say. Toxicity level, or if there's any side effects or health effects. Effect on other types of bacteria or pathogens, if it also kills other types of bacteria or pathogens. How does it interact with other cleaners like soap or surface cleaners? How easy is it to use? Can you just spray it? Dilution factor for each cleaner. So how much would you need to dilute it by, and how much does it cost? Time cleaner is effective for, and I would also add smell as well. Right. That brings us to the end of question number 1, and I will see you in question number